Having with these two children is not an easy thing on our end, but we have to fight for them. Sacrifices and a lot of challenges. However, we have to take the challenge and pass it through. Hindi madali maging isang ina, pero kinakaya natin lahat para sa kanila. Kaya pag may time at nalampasan na lahat-lahat, you have to find ways also na makasama mo sila sa isang magandang samahan, like magpapanding kayo sa labas para ma-experience din ng mga anak mo at hindi madali maging ganon, pero laban lang tayo. Thank you for watching.